Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to generate Ghibli images in OpenArt AI. So first you just have to go to any web browser, go to OpenArt and then create an account right here. This is what it looks like. So to start, you have to click this blue button right here to create or to sign up with your account. So if you tap this one right here, it will show you directly the OpenArt AI dashboard. So to start, you have to create an account, tap on sign up. You can sign up using your Google account. So for me, the easiest way to create an account is by just connecting it to your Google account. Though you can also use your Discord or LinkedIn to create an account. And this is what it looks like. So there are tons of features here that you can use, but since you're using the basic version, your account is limited. So let's just go directly to image and then we're going to paste the prompt right here since the tutorial is all about how to generate Ghibli images. You just have to paste here or type here the correct prompt that is related to Ghibli. So let's just say this one. So I have here a sample of a forest spirit moment. So whimsical hand painted anime film, aesthetic cozy forest village at Golden Hour and so on. So you just have to change the ratio, depends on you, the size. Then you can also change some settings here. Once done, then you can now generate, but we're only given 40 credits right here since we're using the basic version. If you want to add more credits, you need to update your plan. Wait for a couple of seconds. And then after that, you can now click the picture and here is the result. So there are two images here. You can just basically download this, save this one, and you can add or create again another Ghibli image using the different prompt. So everything is up to you. You can use windy cliff top, cat on tram, kitchen comfort. Everything is up to you. So that's how easy it is to generate Ghibli images in OpenArt AI. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.